Hi there viewers, very warmest of welcomes. It's Simon at D.M Keith Suzuki. I'm down at their Bradford Canal Road site filming and I've just got the keys to this October 2022 registered new style S-Cross. This is the Ultra trim level. It's the top one they make in dark Titan grey. Now this is the 1.5 AGS engine. It's auto gear selector, dual jet, and it's also the 4x4 ALLGRIP variant. So it's an automatic all-wheel drive strong hybrid. Strong hybrid is able to push itself along purely under energy it's gathered up when it was rolling down hills or freewheeling along the road, but it doesn't require any plug-in. You can't plug it in fact. Rear and front parking sensors, full front, rear and side mounted cameras. I'm getting eaten by flies, guys. I don't know what's going on. Diamond cut 17 alloys, keyless obviously at this level. You're going to expect that. That means I leave the keys on my person. In the side mirrors there are other indicator repeaters. There must be something juicy on this car they like. But yeah, just an exquisite example, 14,900 miles. Now I believe it's a two-owner car, but I think it's probably actually been a pre-registered vehicle initially on, because it's absolutely split mint is this. And we pre-register cars or demo cars. Big glass opening roof in there, and then inside you've got this gorgeous leather edged on the wearing edges of the seating, headrests, etc., and then woven fabric in the base and back, which isn't too, you know, horrible when you jump in it in the winter months, and simply doesn't stick your ass to it when you're jumping in summer. There's a drop down armrest in the back there, guys. Big beautiful roof. I'm going to put this privacy screen back just so I can show you working, but I mean also get a glare off. Spinning it round, you can see the all-wheel drive selector. This car will always go into 4x4 instantly if it sensed that it needed to. Heated seats, thank you. But what it enables it to do is on the move you can actually decide to change into sport, you know, snow, mud, locket, things like that. Inside, cracking nav unit, full colour camera we've obviously mentioned on there as well, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto obviously, and then this view function. Now when you start the car up, guys, each time it does a quick whiz around the car just to make sure the kids haven't left the bikes behind it, and you're going to squish them and have to go back down to Alfred's and spend a load of money. So it'll do a rotational round the car. Very handy. Rear vehicle cross detection as well, so if somebody's coming left or right behind you or pedestrian walking, it will alert you. Separate left and right dual zones, you can control them completely from one side. Press dual, that enables complete control of all of them. Paddle shifting, enabling you to regenerate the hybrid battery, which is an 8-year warranty, by the way, sealed, but it's a bit of fun coming down in the winter months, down through the gears to engine brake, and simply you can have a bit of fun with the up buttons if you want to on there as well. Of course it's got contactless keyless access, so it has keyless start as well in there. Just a beautiful thing, and will certainly have a full year of warranty. We'll make sure of that. It would typically be out, I suppose, October 24, 25. So we'll top it up to a full year for you, and then when you take the car, why not come back, book it in a year's time, bring it in, have it serviced with us. We will then give you another year of warranty and roadside assistance, and then we'll do it again and again and again and again. You could do it till the car is a maximum of 7 years old, so all the way, right the way through to October 2029, completely warranty covered and completely roadside assistance covered as well. If you do have any questions and you want them quick, it might be something you can just pop into the comments box, but I've been putting into the URL, a safe URL into the descriptions box, and clicking onto that, guys, is a much quicker way of getting straight through to this car, and also then having a look at other stock in the Suzuki group. Otherwise you're going to traipse through page after page after page of all the other brands that D.M Keith do stock. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Maybe you've got any questions, pick up the phone, pop down. If you're coming for a test drive, bring your driving licence on the day, guys, and just make a note of your national insurance number. We need that so we can insure you while you're out. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy this sunshine. I'm going to go get some fly spray. Take care. Drive safe. All the best.